Here we have Sesleria caerulea. It is a rare plant included in the Red Data Book of Occurring. It is very local plant as well. It is only in the valley of the Uchivka River. Firstly, this plant was noticed by Polish botanists in the 20th century. Then it was forgotten. It was rediscovered in the end of the 20th century by Ukrainian botanists. So then it will more and more rediscovered and discovered these localities. And even near my village, Zuchivka, I discovered too one locality. It was first my observation of the species is in 2015 in April. And firstly, I didn't know that it is exactly the species, that it is Sesleria. I thought maybe it is some carex, so booming, so highly booming, so nicely. I decided that it is some carex. Then I visited the classical locality of Sesleria near Luka village, and I saw it the same what it is near my village. After this, it became clear that it is the same species, Sesleria, everywhere. You see how strong this plant is, how wide is the turfs of this plant. They could be very wide, 1 meter even. And yeah, lately I saw this plant in many hills as well with other botanists, even in the edge of the forests, which is very uncommon for the species. But anyway, the meadow slope was just outside the forest, so it was distributed from the nearest meadow slopes and hills to the forest. Here it is near the river in the Uchivka village. Very nice photos. Really, it's very similar to some grass, and it is a grass, it's not carex. There is one more species of Sesleria in the Ochiv region, and as well it is a rare one locality. But here the species is included in the Red Data Book, Sesleria caerulea. Here in the Uchivka grassland, there are calves eating this grass, but it doesn't damage a lot of the species because it is very wide turfs. They still continue to exist and blooming. Here it is in the forest locality, so small. Here it is, this turf. But as well blooming, fruiting. It has different color depending on the season. In autumn, as you see, it's completely yellowish. It's visible from very far distance, and you can think that it is something different. But when you go closer, you see it is Sesleria. It is as well a blue color. In spring, it is like some blue color, so in spring it's different. In autumn, it's yellowish, but in spring it is like some here like some sky color one side, and the other side of the leaves are common green color. In winter it's visible too. If there is no snow, these fruits can stay long on the stems until even snow. There are a lot of publications about the species, and even could be even more. Of course, it's more interesting to find some locality outside of northern Podylia, then it would be really a big discovery and the reason for new publications. Which is very interesting that it is a very locally distributed this plant, only in the valley of the Uchivka river, in the hills and grasslands. Here it's the blooming. Here it is the peak of blooming. Very high density of the stems, and here it's like fruiting already. And it is autumn. Here is the spring and summer again.